Weight of a cloud. A cloud is composed of tiny water droplets and ice crystals that form when water vapor condenses in the atmosphere. As these tiny particles collide with one another and other objects, they begin to float upwards. The reason they float upwards is called buoyancy, which is the upward force that acts on an object in a fluid, like air. Cloud's typical volume is around 1 cubic kilometer, and its density is around 1.003 kilograms per cubic meter, which is about 0.4% lower than that of the surrounding air. That's why clouds float. So after doing some maths, we find that a typical cloud weighs around 1,000,000 tons-pounds or around 450,000 kilograms. Let's see what the Qur'an says about heavy clouds. He is the one who sends the winds ushering in his mercy. When they bear heavy clouds, we drive them to a lifeless land and then cause rain to fall, producing every type of fruit. Similarly, we will bring the dead to life, so perhaps you will be mindful. Qur'an 7:57. It is he who shows you lightning, causing fear and aspiration, and generates the heavy clouds. Qur'an 13:12. The Qur'an comes from a time and especially a place with very little to no general scientific knowledge. It would be very tempting to assume that the clouds were light objects in the air. In fact, people still assume so. But Allah, the creator of those same clouds, would not make such a mistake. These verses are proof that the Holy Qur'an is God's divine word.